Today in this Adobe Premiere Pro CC tutorial, we will learn how to create a fake dolly zoom or vertigo effect. Before we start the tutorial, let's understand what is a dolly zoom effect. A dolly zoom, also known as a Hitchcock shot, jaws effect, vertigo shot or Zolly shot, is actual in camera technique where the camera is either placed on some sort of dolly or track where it can slide forward or backward easily, and while it's moving forward, a zoom lens is used to be zooming out at the same time, so it keeps the subject near the center in the frame, so it creates a bit of sense of vertigo. During the zoom, there is a continuous perspective distortion, the most directly noticeable feature being that the background appears to change size relative to the subject. To create this effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, we will take a clip that moves away from the subject, here moving away from the horizon. It is easy. First, we will create a scale keyframe at the beginning and keep it at 100. We will go to the end where we will zoom in to the about 200. Technically, we want to zoom in as much as the clip is moving backward. We can see that we are zooming in at the same time the horizon is sort of coming at us with a bit of vertigo. In addition, we will try to take the position of the sun here in the frame. So we go to the beginning position, create a keyframe. Later go to the end, and as we have zoomed in at this point, we will adjust sun position, clearly visible in center. Similarly, we will take a few more examples where, as a viewer, we will experience a bit of vertigo managing scale and position keyframes. If you have liked this video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos.